What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be putting on a rear caliper guard and rear disc guard on this new KX450. This kit comes with a rear disc protector, brake caliper guard, and one-piece billet aluminum mounting plate. Our proven return memory disc cover plastic formula absorbs impacts and springs back into position. The disc cover and caliper guards can be replaced individually if needed. Used by top teams such as Kawasaki's off-road GNCC team and Precision Kawasaki race team. Made in the USA. Now we get this bike protected and looking better than ever. Check out our social media platforms to stay up to date. See you guys out on the trail.